Good morning. We can start our.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning. Very good morning to all of you. We can start our lecture for today. One question of this type, we call it as a Wheatstone bridge type question is there. Find the current through this 2 ohm resistance or ammeter. Here there is no need to apply Wheatstone bridge balancing equation because already in question it is written that Wheatstone bridge is unbalanced. Of course, if bridge is balanced, this current will be 0. You would have already studied in your 12th standard when bridge is balanced, current is 0. So bridge is unbalanced. Okay, bridge is unbalanced. At that moment, you have to find the current through this ammeter, and ammeter resistance is given 2 ohm. Okay. So it's not necessary if ammeter is connected or not connected. You can replace this ammeter by 2 ohm resistance. Okay. So you can solve by different methods. Okay. So we can solve by KVL method, KCL method, or Norton's, Thevenin's. Many methods are there. We will prefer to solve this. Try to solve this by Thevenin's method. Okay. So you are interested in finding current through this ammeter, 2 ohm ammeter, using Thevenin's theorem. So first step is identify the terminal AB. Identify the terminal AB and open circuit terminal AB. Okay. Our lecture of Thevenin's theorem. Open circuit terminal AB. A and B terminals are open circuited, and you have to find VTH across these two terminals. VTH across terminal AB. You have to find VTH across terminal AB. It's very simple. It's not very difficult. It's not very difficult. अगर आप करंट निकाल लोगे तो आपका निकल जाएगा. You can see that one current will flow like this, and another current will flow like this. इसको थोड़ा सा इमेजिन करके फाइंड करो या लूप इक्वेशन में लिखने की बहुत ज्यादा जरूरत है. So you can see that this is the voltage 12 volt. 12 volt is applied across this, and 12 volt is applied across 2 and 4, and 12 voltage is applied across 6 and 2 also. Okay. It is just like a parallel circuit like this. This is just like a parallel circuit. It's just like a parallel circuit, 2 and 4, 6 ohm resistance, and 6 and 2, 8 ohm resistance. One current will go here and one current will go here. And so you can see that 12 volt is across 8 ohm resistance as well as 6 ohm resistance. You can directly find current. One current is I1 and one current is I2. One current is I1 and one current is I2. I can write I1 is equal to 12 upon 6 plus 2. ये हो जाएगा 12 by 8 और 3 by 2, 1.5. And similarly, I2 is equal to 12 by 6, 12. Anybody having any confusion, any doubt, you can always ask. Okay? Confusion होना चाहिए. हमने one current ऐसा निकाल दिया I1 flowing through 6 and 2 ohm resistance, and one current we have calculated I2 flowing through this 2 and 4. Thevenin's theorem के steps क्या है? First find current, then apply KVL and find VTH. Now you can find VTH by applying Kirchhoff voltage law in this. Applying Kirchhoff voltage law in this loop or this loop. किसी भी एक लूप में आप Kirchhoff voltage, you can apply the Kirchhoff voltage law and find the value of VTH. So you can write the Kirchhoff voltage law equation in this loop, first loop. क्या हो जाएगा? 2 into I2 minus 2 into I2 plus से minus again drop minus VTH, and here plus इधर है minus. If you are going like this, drop, then rise, plus 6I1 is equal to 0. Is it clear this equation to everybody? Minus 2I2 minus VTH minus से plus rise होगा plus 6I1 is इज इक्वल टू जी। I1 I2 आपके पास ऑलरेडी है, यू कैन राइट 2 इंटू I2 कितना हुआ माइनस VTH प्लस 6 इंटू I1 कितना है 1.5। ये VTH कितना आ रहा है बताओ, टेल मी VTH, व्हाट इज द वैल्यू ऑफ VTH? 5 वोल्ट। व्हाट इज द वैल्यू ऑफ VTH? 5 वोल्ट।
5 वोल्ट।
Just you have to imagine, देखो this is open circuit, current is going, I1 फर्स्ट कैलकुलेट करो, I2 कैलकुलेट करो, क्योंकि वोल्टेज लेवल इज सेम इन बोथ द पॉइंट, वोल्टेज लेवल इज 12, तो 5 वोल्ट आ गया, ठीक है। दिस पार्ट इज ओवर VTH। अब जस्ट डीएक्टिवेट एनर्जी सोर्स एंड फाइंड RTH। मुझे RTH की वैल्यू बताओ। डीएक्टिवेट द एनर्जी सोर्स एंड फाइंड RTH। एनीबॉडी जस्ट टेल मी द वैल्यू ऑफ RTH। What will be the value of RTH? Anybody having any doubt, you can ask. Okay? This type of question is also asked in exams. Bridge circuit में कभी confuse नहीं होना। ये make this procedure to solve the bridge type problem. Now the second step of Thevenin's theorem is deactivate all the energy sources and find RTH across AB. When you get deactivate कर दिया, there is no plus sign minus sign, deactivate all the energy sources। energy source कितना है आपके पास 12 वोल्ट है, 12 वोल्ट को deactivate, how will you deactivate 12 volt? How will you deactivate 12 volt? by क्या करोगे? by short circuit, right? voltage source is deactivated by short circuit, तो आपको शॉर्ट करना पड़ेगा। कीप इन माइंड दिस इज शॉर्ट सर्किट। नाउ फाइंड RTH रेजिस्टेंस अक्रॉस AB के को पकड़ के आप रेजिस्टेंस निकालो। हाउ विल यू फाइंड रेजिस्टेंस अक्रॉस AB? कौन सा कॉम्बिनेशन बन रहा है, विच सीरीज पैरेलल, कैसे कॉम्बिनेशन बन रहा है बताओ। व्हाट विल बी द कॉम्बिनेशन? RTH अब मुझे यहां पे निकालना है, ये दो टर्म। दिस इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट कि हाउ विल यू फाइंड RTH अक्रॉस AB when this terminal is short circuit, when this terminal is short circuit। Anybody? What will be the combination series parallel, कैसे सॉल्व करोगे आप रेजिस्टेंस? Anybody? Nobody is giving answer. Or just don't give exact answer. What will be the combination? Just tell me. How will you find RTH across these two terminals? कौन कौन से सीरीज?
2 + 2 पैरेलल 4 + 2।
What you are saying? 2
वो वाले सीरीज में और फिर वो पैरेलल रहेंगे 4 + 2 को।
अच्छा, इनिशियली आप सीरीज में कर रहे हो, दिस यू आर सेइंग सीरीज। सीरीज में होगा तो ए पॉइंट डिस्टर्ब हो जाएगा ना, आपको ए पॉइंट में रेजिस्टेंस चाहिए, ए एंड बी पॉइंट में। बी केयरफुल व्हाइल फाइंडिंग द रेजिस्टेंस अक्रॉस AB। ये सीरीज में नहीं हो सकता, बिकॉज अगर आप AB को सीरीज 2 और 4 को ऐड कर दोगे तो 6 ओम तो बन जाएगा, लेकिन ए पॉइंट आपका बीच में आ जाएगा ना, ए पॉइंट डिस्टर्ब हो जाएगा। वेयर विल
सर वो नहीं 2 वाला वर्टिकल,
दिस 2 सीरीज।
हाँ सर,
ये दोनों सीरीज में है तो ये बीच का पाथ कहाँ जाएगा? ये क्वेश्चन में थोड़ा सा आपको सीरीज पैरेलल कॉम्बिनेशन बहुत केयरफुली देखना पड़ेगा। इनिशियली सीरीज नहीं होगा, ये दोनों भी सीरीज नहीं हो सकते, अगर ये दोनों ऐड कर दोगे तो बीच का पॉइंट डिस्टर्ब हो जाएगा, और ये दोनों को सीरीज में ऐड करेंगे तो ये पॉइंट कहाँ जाएगा। इसको थोड़ा सा केयरफुली देखो, इसको मैं थोड़ा सा सॉल्व करने की कोशिश करता हूँ। दिस इज शॉर्ट सर्किट है, ये शॉर्ट सर्किट पाथ को आप बीच में बना सकते हो
सर, वो एक को पैरेलल वो उसको
जस्ट सी, शॉर्ट सर्किट बीच से है, क्लियर है सबको? इधर
सर आवाज अटक रहा सर, आप
शॉर्ट सर्किट नीचे क्लियर हो गया सबको? शॉर्ट सर्किट बीच में क्लियर है ना? इज इट क्लियर टू एवरीबॉडी? दिस पार्ट इज शॉर्ट सर्किट, ठीक है। एंड अब देखो अब क्लियरली, मैं बी पॉइंट को बाहर निकाल देता हूं और ए पॉइंट को भी बाहर निकाल देता हूं। I am taking A point and B point outside. Now you can see how we will add resistance in series or parallel combination. कौन सा combination बन रहा है? Which combination you are getting? Now see the circuit. Which combination you are getting? This 2 and 4 parallel है, and this 2 and 2 parallel. ठीक है, 3 2 हो गए तो आपको थोड़ा कंफ्यूज हो रहा है। सी केयरफुली दिस एंड दिस, बिकॉज दिस इज शॉर्ट सर्किटेड, दिस पॉइंट इज दिस पॉइंट, दिस एंड दिस पॉइंट इज सेम पॉइंट, ठीक है। दिस 2 and 4 is parallel, this 2 and 2 is parallel. You can say this is parallel, 2 parallel 4, and यहाँ पे 2 parallel. So finally you will get like this. Two 4 2 2, इसको पैरेलल में सॉल्व करोगे तो क्या हो जाएगा? 4 into 2 8 divided by 2 plus 4 plus then this parallel then series. देखिए ये दोनों पैरेलल फिर सीरीज। जो भी है 8/6 plus 4/4. This is your formula. Everybody getting this answer? Huh? I hope so. Everybody getting this answer? 2.3. ठीक है, क्लियर? नाउ ड्रॉ थेवेनिन इक्विवेलेंट सर्किट. ड्रॉ थेवेनिन इक्विवेलेंट सर्किट. थेवेनिन इक्विवेलेंट सर्किट 2.33 VTH कितना है? 5. अब यहां पे आप एमीटर लगा दो एंड फाइंड I is equal to this will be your final answer. ठीक है, क्लियर? तो दिस ब्रिज टाइप क्वेश्चन इज आल्सो वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. आपको बीच से शॉर्ट करना पड़ेगा एंड फाइंडिंग RTH इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. दिस क्वेश्चन इज ऑलवेज इंपॉर्टेंट. Anybody having any question, queries, they can ask. Because there are n number of problems. If you have any doubt in any place, you can ask. You can raise your hands and ask. आप पूछ सकते हो. You are free to ask any questions. किसी को कुछ भी पूछना है तो वो बिल्कुल पूछ सकते हैं. Don't carry the doubts. क्योंकि हम इतने काफी दिनों से फर्स्ट ओनली प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व कर रहे हैं. Because the idea is to develop skills on yourself. You are able to solve any problem. कोई भी problem आप solve कर सकते हो. ठीक है. One book is available in library. D. Roy Choudhury. ये book आप issue करा सकते हो by D. Roy Choudhury. Networks and Systems by D. Roy Choudhury. Some 8 to 10 books are in library. You can issue this and you can solve problems, unsolved problems of this book. I am forwarding this problems of this book in WhatsApp group. From that group also you can solve it, right? So from next lecture we can start our another topic, that is graph theory. It is quite easy. There we are not writing KVL equation and KCL equations. This is a number of problems are there. That is how to represent any circuit in the form of graph. We will try to do analysis of a circuit using graph theory. Its application is very less, but in general, we can represent any circuit in terms of graph. Like this. Say this is a one graph. Just by drawing the curves. So this is also one circuit. We can give the direction to this circuit. So representing any network or circuit in the form of graph is explained by a graph theory. So that part we are going to take in next class. If you have any doubt, queries, we can discuss right now. Okay. So I am forwarding the problems, right? I am forwarding the problems of this book, D. Roy Choudhury. So some problems I have already taken, and some problems are based on some other theorems like Millman theorems or say Tellinger's theorem, which I had not covered yet. So you can solve those problems which you have studied. Okay. You can skip some problems. Okay. Don't think too much about, okay, sir has not taken this part. Okay. Whatever is covered in class, just you go on solving. Okay. Try to finish in these 2 days so that you will be comfortable. If you are having any doubt, any queries in any problem, we can discuss in Monday. Monday we can discuss any problem. Then we will start with the graph. Okay. Any doubt? Any queries? Only 35 students are attending class. What about rest students? Your class is of 65 students, na? Or 60 students. So what about other students? ठीक है, नो इश्यू. आपको